The Veterinary Academy program is an immersive program for young people who are really interested and passionate about wildlife and conservation and have a really deep appreciation for the world that we live in and the animals that create our planet.
Programs like this, it helps kiddos be more prepared for their future careers. They get to see more of the nitty-gritty and sometimes the dirtier side of the careers.
Working with conservationists, working directly and learning from professional vets from all over the world.
It's beneficial to the students because it allows them to understand a little bit better the vet world. They can see a lot of things that they're not going to see in vet school here.
They also get a lot more hands-on experience and just be, in general, more prepared on their first day versus blindsided by anything.
The unique thing about the Veterinary Academy program is that students get to have hands-on experiences working with wildlife.
The wildlife part is like not the focus on the vet school. Like we see a lot of things about small animals and big animals, but wildlife rarely sees something. So it's an amazing experience for them to be prepared to open their eyes and see the world different with wildlife into it and how everything is connected.
Students from the Veterinary Academy program should come away with a deeper appreciation for wildlife, a better understanding of conservation efforts, a camaraderie amongst people who have shared passions for taking care of animals, and deep cultural appreciation for the countries that they visit. Going to this program and experiencing everything they get to experience really is a huge step forward to their dreams of becoming a vet.